Lynx Whiteboard Training Part 3, Main Features, 3.8, Browse Local. To access all of the local content given to you, you need to go to the plus icon for all of the additional features and then Show Content. Initially, you'll be taken into the media search area, but using the tab at the top, you can hit Browse, and this takes you to all of the local content. This includes customizable backgrounds, the math tools, some pre-loaded resources, and the Clever Content area, a folder where you can create your own library of resources, and all of your local folders. So let's have a look at the backgrounds. In here you can see a grid. In here are lots of other choices as well, and these can all be edited. So if I drag out the grid, when it first appears on the screen, you get the floating toolbar of options. If you click on the screen, that disappears and it looks like you can't access it again. However, if we just go to edit the background and click on that grid, the toolbar comes up again. So we could change it to one of the other types of backgrounds, or we can mess around with the size of the grid. We can go down as small as that and enlarge as large as that. We can also just delete it from here too. If we go home, we see the menu again, and we have the math tools. So this includes things like the protractor, compasses, dice, and so on. There are also interactive clocks and an interactive calendar. We also have some folders with resources in that you can pull out these results whenever you need them. So there's a vast range of random things that you can explore and use whenever you wish. Some of the folders are organised right at the beginning, such as in geography you have lots of weather symbols, as well as flags of the world and some useful diagrams. And the shapes are particularly good because you've got a bigger range of shapes in here, and you'll notice there might be more than one page of those too. And these, when you drag them out, you can tailor them so that you change the backgrounds and so on. You also have, of course, your local folders. So these are the folders that you might have created a link to within Lynx. So if you've seen the video all about setting up your options, you'll recognize my Romans folder here. So now when I go to it, I've got PowerPoints and images and things like that that I can bring onto the slides, such as this PDF, which is a 2-page PDF, so we can move through the 2 pages. Or we have pictures here from a trip to Italy and Rome that I took when I was still teaching. And of course we can bring all of these in just by dragging them over. And that's because Lynx has allowed me to access my local device folders. So explore the local folders, and in the next video we'll look at the special Clever Content Area folder.